This supplier doesn't want to sell me lower quantities. I don't know what to do.
They don't sell you lower quantities. Here are 3 tips that I can give you to negotiate with your supplier. First, show that you're bigger than what they're thinking, and you're thinking about a long-term relationship with them.
I know what to do, so let me call them. Hello, I'm from a very big tech company and I would like to buy a sample from your products to my branches. And probably we will have a long-term relationship. Well, how does it sound? Can you sell me small samples?
Money talks. Offer them to pay a little more if they send you a lower quantity.
Really? What about if I pay you slightly higher to get it small quantities? What do you think?
If none of them work, ask someone in China to call them and talk in Mandarin. It can build the trust with your supplier.
What a pity. Oh, I know. Let me call my friend in China. Maybe they can do something for me.
If you want someone to call to the factory in China, we are always in here for you. We have our office in here and we can call to the factory and talk in Chinese and Mandarin.